Well, hey there, it's Catherine from Catherine Pooler Designs. In today's video, I'm going to share a few inking techniques using Catherine Pooler Designs inks. We're going to color, we're going to splatter, we're going to ink blend, and we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to use these adorable little birds and make some super tweet cards. These are in our upcoming August of 2022 Club Sursee, and subscribers will get their purple envelope in their mailbox very soon. Tear that envelope open, pull out your products. If you're not familiar with Sursee, what are you saying? What in the world is Sursee? Well, Sursee means a surprise. So each month before we send our subscribers their brand new goodies, we don't show everything to you because we love the element of surprise. We have two levels. It's basic or deluxe. Our basic subscribers get 2 stamp sets every month. These are brand new products that we work with our illustrators to create. We include main images, sentiments, background stamps, little builder elements, everything you need to sit down and create cards. If you're a deluxe member, you also get the coordinating dies. We don't stop there, my friend. We also give you so much inspiration. So boom, look at all these cards we created with this set of Sursee products that came out spring of 2022. So we create the products, we create a bunch of samples with our brand ambassadors, and we put together an email for our subscribers, and we send it to them every month around the time when they get their products in the mailbox so they can sit down at their creative space and create just with the products that came in their purple envelope. So does this sound intriguing to you? You want to treat yourself every month? I invite you to go to shop.catherinepooler.com, hover over subscriptions, choose Club Sursee, and you will see the deluxe and the basic there for you. Scroll down a little bit, you can see some of the past products that have come out for our subscribers, and just click on that, scroll down a bit, and you will see complete subscription. And then we will get your purple envelope ready for you. We ship between the 15th and the 20th of every month, and check out all those 5-star reviews. We hope you will give it a try. We think you're going to love it. Basic subscribers save about 15% on their subscription products, and deluxe subscribers, they save a lot. The subscription price is $47.95 a month, and the retail value of those products is usually between $60 and $80, so it's a great savings. Our deluxe subscribers have saved over $300 in the last calendar year. We wanted to welcome new members this month, so subscribe by August 14th at the end of the day, 11:59 Eastern PM, and you will get a freebie in your purple envelope this month. So we're going to pack up a special stamp set and coordinating die. It will be random. It may not be what I'm showing here in this video, but we are pretty sure you're going to love it. So head over to shop.catherinepooler.com, set up your subscription, and we'll be ready for you. So let's look at some of the products that are coming out this month. We had a little extra fun with this month's products. We have the Hey Tweety stamp set with these tropical birds. They're little, they're so stinking cute. And we made another companion stamp set that has big tropical leaves and flowers. So little birds, big flowers, they're gonna be a lot of fun to create with. So techniques. So Catherine Pooler ink pads are on a foam pad. They are amazing. If you haven't tried them yet, we encourage you to head over to the shop and check them out. Definitely pick up some blender pens, because then you can color in your images like this. Just get a little pool of ink, whether it's in the lid of the ink pad or on an acrylic block, and then you can dip the tip of the blender pen into the ink palette and color with it. At the beginning, you're going to get an intense color, and then as you use the ink out of the pen, it's going to lighten up and give you some good shading. So next up, I'm going to choose Lime Ricky and just color in his little wing and then a little catching rays for his beak. The fun thing with these little birds is you can use all the colors. On my projects today, I'm using our party colors. They are vibrant, very highly saturated, they scream party, and they are perfect for jungle birds. For these little guys, I used Fiesta Blue, Lime Ricky on their bodies, Catching Rays on their beaks, and then I thought Flirty Fuchsia would be really fun because that is a complementary color to Lime Ricky, and that really pops on this little bird. So just add in the little dies and die cut them, and you have the most adorable little birds to add to your card making project. Inking technique number 2, multi-inking on one stamp. So this can be achieved in a variety of ways. My favorite way is by using the Misty stamping tool and my ink blending brushes. You can use the full-size ink pads or the mini ink pads for this technique as well. Sometimes it's a little bit easier to use the small ink pads if you're just inking up small spaces or you want a lot of different colors on one stamp. This I'm just using 3 colors, actually 2 colors that are the same color but different shade. So Samba and Do-Si-Do, just doing the whole flower with Do-Si-Do, ink blending Samba on the bottom. When you add another color or a color on top of another, sometimes you get a little bit of a harsh line there. So that's when I use my ink blending brush to buff out the harsh line and make that transition of color a little smoother. With the ink or with the stamping, with the Misty, the stamping platform, you can also stamp multiple times. So if you don't get it quite right, you don't get it as dark as you want, or you don't get full coverage, it's so awesome because you can just stamp multiple times. So on the leaf, I'm using Lime Ricky, which is one of our green yellows. And then I want to add some depth and dimension to that color. So I'm grabbing Mardi Gras, which is a green. You can reference our color tool. And that has all of this information on there. If you're looking at our colors and you're not sure if it's a red or a red orange or a blue violet or a blue or a violet, the color wheel will tell you. So head over to shop.catherinepuller.com and check out the download section. You can grab that color wheel for free. So with this Mardi Gras here, you can really see the harsh lines on there. And then with that ink blending tool, just buff those out and you get a nice seamless ink blend. It's adds such dimension and interest to your projects. It really takes those up, it takes it up a level. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Are we on techniques 3 and 4 with Catherine Puller ink pads? So ink blending and water reactivity. Our inks are water-based, they are dye inks, and they are really smooth for ink blending. They stay wet for just a few seconds, so that enables you to get a really nice ink blend. Now, my struggle is patience. I am heavy-handed and I am very impatient, so I'm usually a very quick ink blender. That doesn't always lend itself well to the smoothest blend, but if you take your time and you use a light hand, you're going to have success. And it also takes a little bit of practice, so don't give up. If you're not the smoothest ink blender or you want a kind of mottled, speckled, water reactive, like ink blotchy look, our inks are for you. Spray it with water and that water will basically bleach out the cardstock. And I love this technique because if you didn't get an even ink blend, it doesn't matter because that ink color will move around a little bit. It bleaches out, it lifts the color, it moves it around, and it just looks really cool. So we thought this was perfect for turning that flower upside down and making it look like the little Tweety bird is getting rained on in the rainforest. How adorable is that? The extra leaves I stamped along with some of those large flowers created a really fun background to layer the birds on top of with the Call Me speech bubble. That is so fun. So both of these cards you're going to be able to create when you get your Club Sursee subscription products from August of 2022. And before we go, let's do another one. So this is just straight stamping. So I'm using my little ink stands to keep my inks organized and not have lids all over the place. So if you haven't grabbed any of those, they're really convenient. So I guess this is inking technique number 5, just straight stamping. So direct into the Catching Rays, Lime Ricky, and Fiesta Blue. Again, these are party colors, so they are vibrant and bright and highly saturated colors, so they're perfect for this set of products. Add a couple little birds on there, and you have a really stinking cute card. So tweet. Sending happy thoughts. So head over to the shop and subscribe so we can get your purple envelope ready. Here are a couple more project ideas. Subscribers, you'll get an email with a roundup of all of this inspiration so that you can sit down and start creating as soon as that purple envelope hits your mailbox. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're inspired. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. We thank you so much, and we'll see you again really soon.